Thank you for purchasing our CC Vector Wi-Fi repeater system. The purpose of this video is to guide you through the steps to set up your new product, so let's get started. Before you begin, you will need to know the Wi-Fi network name and password of the Wi-Fi network or hotspot you want to repeat. For this video, we'll focus on the CC Vector Home Wi-Fi repeater system. Please note that in this video we will be using a Windows 10 laptop. However, any Wi-Fi enabled device can be used. We also offer other systems such as our CC Vector RV and CC Vector long range systems, which are similar to this setup. Please see the links to those products in the description of the video. Included in this kit are a CC Vector Wi-Fi repeater, an AC power adapter for the repeater, a small black repeater antenna, a short Ethernet cable, our Super USB Wi-Fi Antenna 3, a 15-foot USB split cable, suction cups, lanyard, hook and loop, and a zip tie. Please follow the included assembly mounting guide for the system you received before proceeding with the setup. First, attach the small black antenna to the back of the Wi-Fi repeater by screwing it into the connector. Have the antenna placed vertically. Now connect the end of the USB connector coming from the main cable and insert it into the front of the Wi-Fi repeater's USB port. The single floppy USB cable is not needed for this setup, so don't connect it to a computer or any other device. Connect the AC adapter to the back of the Wi-Fi repeater and then plug it into your AC wall connection. Now you'll notice after a few seconds, two lights will appear on the Wi-Fi repeater. One is for Wi-Fi and the other is for power. Now we're ready to set up the CC Vector Wi-Fi repeater. There are two options for setup, a direct connection or a wireless connection. The first and most reliable is the direct connection. The easiest way to set up the Wi-Fi repeater is by connecting the Ethernet cable to the port closest to the power connection and then to your computer's Ethernet port. This avoids interference from other wireless signals or connecting to the wrong Wi-Fi network. Don't have a computer or a laptop with an Ethernet connection? That's not a problem. The second option for setup is by using your laptop, tablet, smartphone, iPad, or other Wi-Fi enabled device. First, go to your settings for Wi-Fi. Look at the bottom of the Wi-Fi repeater for the Wi-Fi network name on the label. It will start with C.Crane. Click to connect to it. Once you connect to the C.Crane network, it may display connected or secured and no internet. This is normal until after you've finished the setup. If you don't know how to find the settings for Wi-Fi on your device, try a Google search. Type in the Wi-Fi password that's printed on the label located on the bottom of the Wi-Fi repeater. Now open a browser such as Internet Explorer, Edge, Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. These are the most popular, however, any browser should work. Now you may notice a message being displayed that states the site can't be reached or no internet. This is normal until after you complete the setup. Now you need to locate the address bar, which is usually at the very top of the browser. We don't want to use the search bar or a search app. Here we're going to type in the IP address of 192.168.8.1 and click enter, or search or done, whichever is equivalent on your device. A page titled USB Wireless Site Survey will appear. This is showing you the wireless networks that the Super USB Wi-Fi Antenna 3 is finding. If you don't see any networks listed, check the antenna and the cable, then click on Rescan. If you still don't see any networks, please check out the links in the video description or call us at 800-522-8863. In order to make a good connection, look at the signal column and make sure the Wi-Fi network you selected shows greater than 50%. 30 or 40% may work. However, you may experience disconnects or very slow speeds. Networks that show yes for encryption will require a password. Networks that show no will not show the password field and will automatically start saving. Click on the circle to the left of the Wi-Fi network that you have access to and click Select at the bottom. If the password includes special characters such as dashes, $signs, question marks, stars, etc., stop here and read the Quick Start Setup Guide's Troubleshooting and Tips section on page 3 and 4 that was included with the system. Enter the password and click on Next. The screen should now show rebooting. Please wait a moment. Click on your Wi-Fi settings to check that your device is still connected to C.Crane. If not, click on C.Crane to reconnect. Now click Continue. Have a look at the Wi-Fi repeater. You should see the USB light is now on. Depending on the network you're trying to connect to and the distance, this can take up to 5 minutes for the USB light to come on. If the status is connected and internet access is yes, you should now be connected and have internet. Now try accessing your favorite websites. If the USB light doesn't come on after you've waited more than 5 minutes and the status shows disconnected, the password or phrase entered for the selected Wi-Fi network may be incorrect or the link quality is too weak. Repeat the setup process by clicking Restart Setup. Or if you're at a public Wi-Fi spot such as an RV park, hotel, hospital, coffee shop, etc. that requires a username and password, or it may require you to click on a box to accept the user terms and agreement, you may need to reopen your browser after the status shows connected and internet access is no. If you need further assistance, please call our tech department at 800-522-8863 Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We're closed for lunch from 12 p.m. to 1:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You can also send an email to customer service at ccrane.com or check out our website at ccrane.com for updated FAQs and other information.